In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter jobs on LinkedIn. If you're searching for jobs on LinkedIn, using filters can save you a lot of time and help you find more relevant opportunities much faster. Instead of scrolling through a long list of job posts that may not match what you're looking for, you can narrow the results based on the details that matter most to you. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the Jobs tab. This is where you will find the main job search section. Once you're there, type a keyword into the search bar. This could be a job title, a skill, or a type of role you're interested in. Then enter your preferred location in the location field. After entering both, start the search so you can view the available results. Once the results appear, you can begin refining them with LinkedIn's common filters. One of the most useful is the date posted filter. This lets you focus on jobs that were posted recently, which can be helpful if you want to apply early. You can choose options such as jobs posted in the past 24 hours, the past week, or the past month. Simply check the box for the time range you want. Then click Show Results to apply it. Another important option is the experience level filter. This is especially helpful if you want to avoid listings that are too advanced or not suited to your background. You can select from internship, entry-level, associate, mid-senior level, director, or executive. After choosing the level that fits your situation, check the box and click Show Results. You can also use the employment type filter to focus on the kind of work arrangement you want. LinkedIn allows you to choose from full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, volunteer, or internship roles. This is a great way to avoid wasting time on positions that don't match your availability or career goals. Just select the appropriate option. Check the box and click Show Results. Finally, use the on-site or remote filter to sort jobs by workplace type. If you only want remote jobs, prefer hybrid work, or are looking specifically for on-site positions, this filter makes that easy. Choose the option that suits your preference so the results better reflect the way you want to work. Using these filters together can make your LinkedIn job search much more targeted and efficient. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.